Hello, 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 and welcome to Hogan's Cottages. This is a new construction community that we're highlighting this week, and it is located in South Arlington off of 287, right between Eden Road and Sublet. I love this neighborhood for a couple of reasons. Number one, Arlington has been developed for so long, it's difficult to find new construction in Arlington, so I love that we are still developing parts of a town that people are looking for new stuff in, and here we are, okay? It's a really cute little community. It's in a great location. You've got easy access from 287 to I-20 if you need to go north or to west to Fort Worth, and then it's got easy access obviously down into Mansfield if you need to go south. So great location, and these houses are built by Graham Hart. He's a great builder, and they're just real cute. I think it's a great community. Little things like this stairway, it's simple. It's not anything super fancy necessarily, but it's very modern, clean lines. So you'll see a lot of that in this property. So we are standing in new construction, and this house is still under construction. So it's not, obviously, like the housekeeper has not been here yet, but I just wanted to highlight some things that I love about it. You're gonna see a lot of solid surface tile, like tile looks like hardwood in his homes, as well as the open floor plan, okay? Most of his plans have the wide open kitchen with the island that's kind of floating in the middle, living room, dining room, all of that sort of put together. Love the windows across the back. When this is in springtime and summer, I don't know how much you can see through the windows, but when that all turns green, it's gonna be beautiful in the backyard. So you've got lots of privacy back here. It's one of those yard sizes, these lots are just big enough to give you enough to have some room for the pets or kids or whoever needs to be out in that backyard playing, but it's not too much to take care of. And that's kind of one of the things I love about it, is it's enough to enjoy, not so much to be super high maintenance. So the pricing in this community is going to be in the 400s. I think the lowest price I've seen has been around $419. Goes up towards $460. So for a new build and the type of square footage you're getting, it's pretty reasonable. And this lofted area that I'm standing in is a great example of some of the space that you're getting for that money. So you've got all that living space downstairs where we just were, but upstairs you've got kind of game room, lofted area where, you know, another place to spread out. So if we come down the hall, this is where all the bedrooms are gonna be. And this is a 4-bedroom. So you've got 2 bedrooms right here that are gonna share this bathroom. Again, it's all clean lines, lots of whites and grays, and I lied to you, it's a 3-bedroom because laundry is upstairs, okay? I'm just gonna tell you, as a mama and someone who does all the laundry in my house, it is a little bit of a pain in the butt when you're trying to get laundry from 8 different areas into one space. So the fact that all of the bedrooms are right here on this hallway and this is where the laundry room is, that's gonna make whoever the laundry doer is in this house, it's gonna make their life a lot easier. So master looks out over to the creek that I was just talking about downstairs, and you've got, in this builder, I'm pretty sure he offers both a walk-in shower and a separate tub and shower option. So you'll see in this bathroom that you've got the big giant shower rather than a bathtub. So some people love a bathtub, some people don't want one. So whatever you desire, we will find a way to make it happen.
you go.
So if you like what you see here at Hogan's Cottages, if you want to see what Graham Hart has available for you as a new build in this neighborhood, please contact us today. We would be happy to get more information to you. We've got some exclusive information on incentives and what we can make happen for you. So reach out to us today and let's come check it out together.